YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, man, I'm about to do a washing style for you all. 5-week whoop, right? Man, let's get into it. So gang, the first thing you want to get into is you want to take your do-rag off. You want to get your comb and comb your hair out. Let's get it. Gang, y'all can see how the waves looking, man. I mean, you barely see it anyways, but y'all can see what's going on. I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking before I even start combing, man. This is 5 weeks. 5 weeks of no cutting, nothing. Not even a shape up. Man, we looking rough, but you know, washing styles always get you back right, you know what I mean? So, let go, gang. Let's get it. You wanna go ahead and start combing it out. So this is 5 weeks. So it is gonna be kind of difficult for my hair, right? I got coarse hair, right? It'll be kind of difficult to get it out. So let's go ahead and try to get all this stuff detangled. How y'all week been, gang? Hopefully y'all week been going good. Hopefully everything been straight. You know, your boy took a little vacation, so. All right, gang. You see I'm combed out this part already. So we already locked in. Going crazy, gang. This is serious. 5 weeks, man. Y'all about to love this washing style. I swear. I ain't gonna lie. If you already tuned into the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. We finna lock in. Let's go. Alright, gang. Y'all can see how the hair looking. Let me show y'all before I put the water in it. Y'all can see it's literally an afro. Y'all see how it is. It's literally an afro, man. Look at that. Look at that. Let me show you how it look from the top. Man, that junk is an afro, bro. All right, gang. Let's go ahead and wet our hair. Let's go. All right, gang. Our hair is wet. Let's get it. So once your hair is wet, you want to just go ahead and start applying your black soap to your hair. See, it's already doing its due. Let's go. So it's already doing what it's due. You can add some more. All right. Get it all up in there. I see what it's doing. Come on now. 5-week wolf. Going hard. 5 weeks, man. Come on now. So what you want to do is, if you're a beginner, right? I wouldn't say scramble your hair, but I would say wash all this stuff out of your hair and take your time. And if you do scramble, just do one scramble wash for maybe about 30 seconds, and then get your hard brush and start laying it back down. I usually try to look from this side. And you'll see some of that stuff dropping down. Come on, man. So as you're scramble washing, make sure you really getting up in there. Why? Because you want to make sure you're really getting all that dirt and everything out. And this is just the first wash. So the first wash is to really just get all that dirt out. Make sure you're getting everything out. That second wash, man, that second wash really about to make y'all go crazy. Just wait. At round 2, we already washed it out. So if you're a beginner, just follow along at the second one. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all see what they're doing? So go ahead and get the back too. Let's go. So after you wash it the first time, right? The second wash is where it's really gonna tap in. Like it's really gonna lather up. It's really just gonna go super crazy. And again, this is a 5-week wolf, man. 5-week wolf, man. Y'all see this? Man, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy. All right, we just gonna go all in. Go all in, man. Some of the soap falling on the back of my neck is straight. we ain't gonna worry about it. Go ahead and get your hard brush. You see my hand right here. And you wanna just go ahead and apply some of that soap right to your hard brush. Right, and you wanna make sure it's really in there. Really make sure you get up in there. Maybe apply the soap to your hard brush. Go ahead and start combing your hair down. You wanna make sure you find your crown first. How do you find your crown? You go slow. You can go slow, you can go fast. I recommend if you're a beginner, just go ahead and go slow. Don't go too fast. But y'all can see, this is a 5-week wolf, and my hair is just laying down perfectly. Like, come on, man. Let's get it. It is laying down so perfectly. Make sure you hit those angles. Next angle will be right here. Alright, gang, next angle gonna be on the side. Go ahead and just brush your side down. Let's go. Real easy, real smooth. Brush your sides down. And again, it's a 5-week wolf, so this is a little difficult. The hair is kind of stubborn. It's not laying down like it would if it was on a different type, you know, different type of wavelength. So I'm really just going back through it. Alright, gang, next angle gonna be right here at the top. So go ahead and brush your top down. Go crazy. Take your time. Don't rush. Take your time. And as you're going to the top, we just gonna slide right over right here. And again, if you wolfing, make sure you always doing your washing styles. The washing styles are gonna help you maintain your wolf, right? And it's gonna allow you to wolf longer. Alright, gang, next spot right here. Let's go. Easy. I'm really kind of taking my time with it and just doing what I gotta do. We're gonna be right down here. Just gonna hit it with corners like this. And I'm going through it one more time, so stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the gang. So gang, we about to go ahead and add more soap to our hair. Let's go. Y'all can see I'm already doing it. Go ahead and hit this crown. So for your crown, you want to really make sure your crown, right? Y'all can see it. You want to really make sure your crown is really soapy, right? Because the more soapy it is, or the more lighter your hair is, the easier it is to lay it down, right? So if you lay your hair down, you want to make sure you go over it at least twice or at least 3 times. I say twice because twice is just making sure everything is laid and everything is looking good. So we're just gonna go over this crown real quick with this soap one more time. And we're gonna go over my whole head again with the hard brush. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and hit this crown. Let's go. It's soapy. It's good to go. So let's go ahead and get it. Let's get it right. So we're gonna hit the whole crown. So we get right here. Next spot right here. Next spot on top. Next spot, gang. Right on top. I'm gonna go slow a little bit. Next spot, right on top. Next spot, gang. Right here. And y'all can see the crown just open it up because now I'm really laying it down. Now the soap is really in there. It's not as dry. Next spot right here. Yeah, you can go over your crown once or you can go over it twice. I'm gonna go over it one more time and show y'all. So again, right here. Next spot right here. Alright, let's go ahead and get right here. Make sure it's really tight and closed. Right there. One more time right there. And these angles are very important to really make sure your crown is really just laid and the connections are nice. Also, another tip I'm gonna give y'all, make sure you don't have your fan on while you're doing this because it'll dry your hair out. Right here. Last angle, right here. Again, so after you did your crown, right, let's go ahead and we're gonna go all the way around one more time. Let's get it. And I usually do about 10 strokes, right, for each angle. And again, this is a 5-week wool. But if you're wolfing for a long time, make sure you get a really good hard brush. And as y'all can see, once you lay your crown down, look how nice your hair starts to lay down. Look at that, gang. Come on. Everything just laying down so perfect. The next angle will be right here. Next angle right here, guys. Let's go. Real easy method, man. Simple. You want to make sure that crown area is laid down too. Just make sure before you lay your hair down. All right, so gang, after you're done, you can lay down your sides. Lay down the front part. Real easy, real smooth. Let's go. If you're liking the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Join the team. Let's go, gang. So, gang, after you laid your hair down with the hard brush, you want to go ahead and apply some more black soap to your hair, right? Always do that. So after you lay it down, apply more black soap. Yeah, I can see what it's doing. Come on, man. Hit your back side. All right, so after you hit the front, make sure you get the back. This side. I like to do my crown last. I don't know why. It's just so satisfying just to hit that crown last. Knowing, you know, crown is the hardest part to really get to, especially when you're trying to get your waves, in my opinion. All right, let's go and hit this crown. Real smooth, real easy, gang. Come on, follow along. Let's get it. Hit that like button too. Let's go. We locked in for real. Yes, sir. Also, gang, before you tie your do-rag, right, or before you put your do-rag on, go ahead. This is a bonus tip. Go and get some oil, right? I got my oil right here. Go and apply it right to your hands. All right, we're gonna do about 2 drops. Let's do 3. We're gonna do 3 drops for the gang. All right, 3 drops of this. I just started doing this method, right? What you want to do is you want to go ahead and apply it right to your hair, and look at that shine. Come on, man, with the soap, right on your wave, easy. Right to the back. Apply it on your sides. If you're a beginner, you can do this. This will have your waves looking super silky once they dry up. Now, gang, what you want to do is put your do-rag on. Let's get it. Let's go. You know, when you put your do-rag on for real, you gotta make sure you have that flip. Now, what you want to do is apply it nice and tight. You don't have to roll it. This way, go like this. On this side, do the same thing, right? You want to come around with it. All right, this way, go this way, right? This side, this way. Don't put this part in your mouth. That's nasty, gang. Don't do that. Go this way, the back. Back real simple. Just go like this with it. Come this way. You can tie it down. And then what you want to do is, if you want to get real fancy, you can wrap it like this. And then you're going to tuck it right under there, right? So you can tuck it right here. Bam, simple. Right, so now go again. Had to drop the vid for y'all. Come on. Right, so we locked in. So let's go. So again, make sure you add that oil to your hair after you do your wash and style. If you have recommendation videos, put it in the comments below. All right, gang. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.